London, a city that pulsates with history, culture, and an undeniable charm. From iconic landmarks to hidden alleyways, London is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a lover of all things royal, London has something for everyone. Join me as we embark on a whirlwind adventure through the heart of England's captivating capital. Get ready to be amazed by iconic landmarks. Stroll along the River Thames and delve into the city's rich history and culture. Let's go! London awaits. Our first stop is none other than the iconic Big Ben. Actually, Big Ben is the nickname for the Great Bell, housed within the Elizabeth Tower. This impressive clock tower stands tall as a symbol of London's grandeur. Hear the deep chimes of Big Ben echoing across the city, a sound that has marked the passage of time for centuries. Take a moment to admire the intricate architecture and the clock face that has become instantly recognizable around the world. It's a sight that is sure to leave you in awe. Next, we step back in time at the Tower of London, a historic fortress steeped in centuries of history. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has served as a royal palace, a prison, and even a treasury. Explore the tower's many towers and discover tales of kings and queens, prisoners and conspiracies. Meet the Beefeaters, the tower's iconic guards, and hear their fascinating stories. Don't miss the crown jewels, a dazzling display of priceless diamonds and royal regalia. The Tower of London is a must-see for history enthusiasts and anyone curious about England's captivating past. No trip to London is complete without a visit to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen. Witness the changing of the guard ceremony, a colourful and traditional spectacle that is a quintessential London experience. Imagine the grandeur of the state rooms used for royal occasions and receptions. If you're lucky and the flag is flying, you might even catch a glimpse of Her Majesty herself. Buckingham Palace is a symbol of British royalty and a reminder of the country's long and fascinating history. Section 5. A stroll along the Thames. Let's take a leisurely stroll along the River Thames, the lifeblood of London. This iconic river has been the heart of the city for centuries, shaping its history and culture. As you walk along its banks, you'll find a blend of the old and the new, where historic landmarks stand proudly alongside modern marvels. The Thames is not just a river, it's a journey through time. As you wander along the South Bank, enjoy stunning views of iconic landmarks like the Houses of Parliament, the London Eye and Tower Bridge. Each of these structures tells a story of London's rich past and vibrant present. The South Bank is a cultural hub, home to theatres, galleries and performance spaces. It's a place where art and history converge, offering a unique experience for every visitor. Feel the city's energy as you watch boats cruise by. The Thames is a bustling waterway with boats of all shapes and sizes navigating its waters. From tour boats offering a glimpse of the city's landmarks to cargo ships carrying goods, the river is always alive with activity. It's a reminder of London's role as a global trade hub and its connection to the wider world, and street performers entertain the crowds. The South Bank is known for its lively atmosphere, with musicians, magicians and artists showcasing their talents. These performers add a touch of magic to your stroll, creating moments of joy and wonder. It's a place where creativity thrives, and every performance is a testament to the city's vibrant arts scene. Stop for a cup of coffee or a bite to eat at one of the many cafes and restaurants along the riverbank. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a leisurely meal, you'll find plenty of options to satisfy your cravings. Enjoy a cup of freshly brewed coffee as you watch the world go by, or indulge in a delicious meal with a view of the river. The Thames offers a culinary journey as diverse as the city itself. A walk along the Thames is a perfect way to experience the vibrancy and beauty of London. As the sun sets, the river takes on a magical glow, reflecting the city's lights and casting a warm, golden hue over the water. It's a sight that captures the essence of London, a city that is constantly evolving, yet deeply rooted in its history. So take your time, soak in the views, and let the Thames guide you through the heart of this incredible city. Section 6. British Museum Journey Through Time. Get ready to embark on a journey through time at the British Museum, home to a vast collection of artifacts from around the world. As you step through its grand entrance, you are immediately transported to different eras and civilizations. The museum's architecture itself is a marvel, blending classical and modern elements to create a space that is both awe-inspiring and welcoming. Marvel at the Rosetta Stone, a key to understanding ancient languages. This iconic artifact, discovered in 1799, has been instrumental in deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphics, opening up a world of knowledge about ancient Egypt. Imagine the excitement of scholars who first unlocked its secrets and how it continues to inspire curiosity and wonder in visitors today. Come face to face with mummies from ancient Egypt, preserved for thousands of years. These mummies offer a fascinating glimpse into the burial practices and beliefs of ancient Egyptians. As you explore further, you'll encounter treasures from Greece and Rome, including intricate sculptures and everyday objects that tell the stories of these great civilizations. The museum also houses artifacts from Assyria, showcasing the rich history and culture of this ancient empire. The British Museum is a treasure trove of history and culture, offering a glimpse into the vast tapestry of human civilization. Each exhibit is a window into a different time and place, allowing you to connect with the past in a deeply personal way. Whether you're interested in ancient history, art, or anthropology, there's something here to captivate your imagination. Allow yourself plenty of time to explore this incredible museum, as there's something to fascinate everyone within its walls. From the moment you enter, you'll be drawn into a world of discovery and learning. Take your time to read the descriptions, watch the interactive displays, and immerse yourself in the stories behind each artifact. The British Museum is not just a place to see objects. It's a place to experience history in a way that is both educational and profoundly moving. Section 7. Navigating the city transport tips. Getting around London is easy with its efficient public transport system. The London Underground, affectionately known as the Tube, is a quick and convenient way to travel between attractions. Hop on a classic red double-decker bus for a scenic ride through the city streets. Don't forget to purchase an Oyster card for easy and cost-effective travel on the Tube and buses. London is also a very walkable city, so be sure to wear comfortable shoes and explore its charming neighbourhoods on foot. Section 8. A taste of London food adventures. London is a melting pot of cultures, and its food scene is just as diverse. From traditional British fare to international cuisine, London offers a culinary adventure for every taste. Indulge in a classic afternoon tea with scones, clotted cream and jam. Explore the vibrant street food scene at Borough Market. Treat yourself to a Michelin-starred dining experience. Whether you're a foodie or simply looking for a delicious meal, London's culinary delights are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Section 9. London, a city that stays with you. As our London adventure comes to an end, I can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. This city, with its rich tapestry of history and modern vibrancy, leaves an indelible mark on everyone who visits. The first time you set foot in London, you're greeted by a blend of the old and the new, where centuries-old architecture stands proudly alongside contemporary marvels. This city has a way of capturing your heart with its history, culture, and undeniable charm. The Tower of London, with its tales of intrigue and royalty, and the British Museum, housing artifacts from every corner of the globe, are just the beginning. Each street, each corner tells a story, inviting you to become a part of its narrative. From the iconic landmarks to the hidden gems, London is a city that begs to be explored. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament stand as timeless symbols of democracy and history, while the London Eye offers a modern perspective, giving you a bird's-eye view of the sprawling metropolis. Yet it's the hidden alleyways, the quaint little shops, and the unexpected art installations that truly make London unique. Whether you're wandering through its historic streets, cruising down the Thames, or simply getting lost in its many neighbourhoods, there's always something new to discover. The cobblestone streets echo with the footsteps of history, while the Thames River, the lifeblood of the city, offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. Or indulging in its culinary delights, London offers a feast for the senses. From the bustling street food markets, where you can sample flavours from around the world, to the cosy cafes perfect for a quiet afternoon, to the gourmet restaurants that promise an unforgettable dining experience. The city's food scene is as diverse as its population. London offers an experience that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. The sunsets over the city's landmarks paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, creating memories that linger. The smiles of people enjoying the sights, the laughter shared with friends, and the moments of quiet reflection all contribute to the magic of London. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and embark on an adventure that promises to be as enriching as it is exciting. The journey to London is not just a trip, it's an invitation to immerse yourself in a city that has inspired poets, artists, and dreamers for centuries. And get ready to fall in love with London. Whether you're a first-time visitor or returning to rediscover its charm, London welcomes you with open arms, ready to share its stories, its beauty, and its endless possibilities.